In this video, we'll discuss some tools that are built into your iPad that will provide some visual assistance. To start, we're going to open the Settings app and navigate down to the Accessibility tab towards the bottom of the page. One thing that we can do to help with text displays is to adjust the display and text size. With this toggle button, you can make the text bold, which will make it a little bit larger. If you tap on larger text, you can also move the slider to make the text larger or smaller. You can increase color contrast to make for a bigger difference in the foreground and background colors. You can also invert colors to help the screen be seen a little bit easier. The difference between Smart Invert and Classic Invert is that Classic Invert will invert all colors on the screen, while Smart Invert won't invert items that are darker in color or have darker color styles. Your iPad can give you the ability to zoom in on the entire screen or portions of the screen. You can enable zoom here. You can select a region or size a lens that you can move around the screen. That's it for this video. In this video, we learned a couple tools that are built into your iPad that will provide visual assistance.